I'm going to show you how you can easily add names and IDs to tracking sheets without having to do it manually. First things first, you need to make sure that you copy the ID and the name onto an Excel sheet from the attendance list. After you've done that, as an example, I've done that for my grade 9-1. These are the ID and the names. Save it. I've saved mine as 9-1. Then you need to open the tracking sheet. This is the tricky part. You're going to have to go to Developer, Visual Basic, and create a new module by inserting a new module. And then there is a VBA code that you need to copy and paste and insert that into the module, just like this. Once you've copied and pasted the VBA code, you need to close this VBA window, and then you need to click on the macros, select to file to process. Click on Run, and select the Excel sheet for the naming of the students that we just did earlier, 9-1. And there you go, the names have now been successfully imported to your tracking sheet. That's all. Thanks for watching.